Hi, it's Bill with a quick tip on how to access your Google account if you're having trouble, and also to check out how your website might look from the point of view of other people. A lot of people might not realize when you're using Chrome, in the Chrome browser, you have the option to go into incognito mode. But let's say you don't have Chrome. Let's go to a fresh tab. If you need to download the Chrome browser, it's google.com/Chrome. You know you're using it because the icon looks like this. All right, if you don't have it, you can just go ahead, download and install. It is free. I'm using Chrome. I'm already signed in. I can tell because here's my picture. You might have an initial there. But if I want to check out things without being signed in and don't necessarily want to sign myself out, I can use these three dots to the right. If I click on that, my third choice down is New Incognito Window. Let me launch that. So here I am with a fresh incognito window. I'm not signed into anything. If I go to google.com, I have to sign in. If I try to use one of these tools like Drive, it tells me I'm not signed in. All right, so when you're at incognito, go ahead, hit sign in, use your school account or whatever account you want to use, access your Google Classroom, fill out one of those online letters of reassurance, and things won't conflict with your personal Google account or whatever account you're signed in with. Also, this is a good trick if you're updating your website and you want to see how it looks to people who might not be signed in. Go ahead and just paste your website address up here at the top and take a look at it and see what it looks like when you're not signed in. Also, that letter of reassurance, paste that in right up here at the top. Go ahead, click on that link, and then it'll ask you to sign in with your school account, fill in those credentials, and you should be all set. When you're finished using it, all you have to do is close this incognito window, and Google will not remember this account. It won't conflict with your other accounts. All right, hopefully that helps you out. Hopefully everyone's staying safe. We'll talk to you again with another one soon. Have a great day.